Non-Searchable PDF with Raster Image Printer 12. PDF Image Printer 12 uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output file you want. PDF Image Printer comes with a few default profiles, including Adobe PDF and Non-Searchable PDF. To create color-optimized, non-searchable, multi-page PDF, simply set the profile Non-Searchable PDF as PDF Image Printer's default profile. Note, all of the following information also applies if you are creating PDF files with our Raster Image Printer. Double-click on the PDF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the PDF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the PDF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to PDF Image Printer. Select Manage Printers. Beside PDF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select Non-Searchable PDF as the default profile. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management. Now, each time you print to PDF Image Printer, it will automatically apply the settings stored in the non-searchable PDF profile to your output PDF files. Our default non-searchable PDF profile is configured to create non-searchable multi-page PDF files at 300 dpi with colors reduced to optimal palette. PDF Image Printer knows to create a non-searchable PDF file because Create each page of the PDF as an image is enabled. Since each page is being created as an image, resolution and color reduction settings can be applied to the output image. Color reduction is currently set to optimal palette, which will reduce each page down to the smallest number of colors required to represent each page. Therefore, all colors present in the original file will be maintained in the output PDF image. We do offer other color options including 256 color palette, 16 color palette, optimal palette max 256 colors, optimal palette max 16 colors, and none. The goal of all of these color options is to reduce the number of colors present in the image, thereby reducing the PDF file size. If file size is not a concern, we recommend sticking with optimal palette. If you make any changes to our default settings, you will need to save your own custom profile. For the purposes of this example, I am happy with the default non-searchable PDF profile, so I will not save this duplicate profile. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Open the document you want to convert to PDF. Select File, Print, select PDF Image Printer as your printer, click Print to send the file to PDF Image Printer. Then set the name and save location of your new PDF image. Now files printed to PDF Image Printer will be color, multi-paged, and non-searchable. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.